Do you have a house that you would like to sell and are just looking for a fast, easy, straightforward way to sell the house and not have to worry about any of the issues that can come up sometimes with a traditional house sale? My name is Ben Socek. I'm with 7 Days Cash by Home Downsizing Solutions, and we make it fast, easy, and very convenient to be able to sell a house, especially if it needs any repairs or updates. Maybe you have a lot of stuff in the house that you just don't care about anymore and want to hand someone the keys, get cash for the house, and be done with it. We specialize in that. If you would like to sell your house in the fastest, easiest, most convenient way possible, especially if it needs repairs and updates, just go to 7dayscash.com. That's the number 7dayscash.com, and we'd be happy to help in any way that we can. Thank you.